Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you still fine and healthy. Well, in this occasion, I would like to explain about simple past tense versus present perfect tense. Ya, pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang simple past tense dan juga present perfect tense. Sebelumnya, teman-teman mungkin sudah tahu apa itu simple past tense dan apa itu present perfect tense. Untuk mereview kembali, mari kita baca. Number 1 is definition of simple past tense. The definition of simple past is the simple past is verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. Jadi, definisi dari simple past merupakan salah satu tenses yang digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang telah terjadi di masa lampau atau sebelum saat ini atau sebelum sekarang. Next is the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to talk. Number 1, an action that began and ended at a particular time in the past. Number 2, an action that occurred over a period of time but was completed in the past. Number 3, an activity that took place regularly in the past. Next is the sentence patterns. Point A, using auxiliary did. Number 1 is affirmative atau kalimat positif. The formula is subject plus verb to plus object. For example, he wrote a letter. Number 2 is negative atau kalimat negatif. The formula is subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 and object. For example, he did not write a letter. Number 3 is interrogative atau kalimat tanya. The formula is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, did he write a letter? Next is point B, using to be, was, and were. Number 1 is affirmative atau kalimat positif. The formula is subject plus was or were plus non-verb. For example, she was angry yesterday. Number 2 is negative atau kalimat negatif. The formula is subject plus was or were plus not plus non-verb. For example, she was not angry yesterday. Number 3 is interrogative atau kalimat tanya. The formula is was or were plus subject plus non-verb plus the question mark atau tanda tanya. For example, was she angry yesterday? Next is the kinds of verb to. Jadi pada simple past tense terdapat perubahan verb atau kata kerja, yakni beberapa contohnya. Yang pertama, regular verbs. Number 1 is accept, become accepted. Approve, become approved. Cry, cried, and checked. And in irregular verbs, for example, began menjadi began, have menjadi had, sing menjadi sang. Next is adverbs of time that is usually used in the past tense. Point A is just now. B, yesterday. C, last, for example, last week, last month, last year, and etc. And point D, ago, for example, a week ago, a month ago, and etc. Next is present perfect tense. We use present perfect tense to: number 1, an action that happened at an unspecified time. Number 2, an action that has recently occurred. Number 3, an action that began in the past and continues up to the present. And number 4 is an action that happened repeatedly before now. Next is the sentence patterns of present perfect tense. Affirmative atau kalimat positif. The formula is subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. For example, the students have finished their examination. And in negative or kalimat negative, the formula is subject plus have or has not plus verb 3 plus object. For example, the students haven't finished their examination. And in interrogative atau kalimat tanya, has or have plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. For example, have the students finished their examination? Next. Pada present perfect tense juga terdapat past tense. Yang pertama, regular verb. For example, play, played, played. Walk, walked, walked. Open, opened, opened. And in irregular verbs, eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Next is adverbial words used for present perfect tense. Number 1 is already. Number 2, just. Number 3, yet. Number 4, ever. Number 5, never. Number 6, for. And number 7 is since. And the last is exercises. So you can do it by yourself. Task number 1 is rewrite the following sentences by using simple past tense. And task number 2 is rewrite the following sentences by using present perfect tense. Well, I think enough for today. I hope the material can be useful for us. And I say thank you for your attention. Thus I say, wassalamualaikum.